It's early morning, just getting ready to practice yoga in Bali. Look at this. So these are the artificial coral they start to build. And then the coral eventually grows off of this, right? Yeah?
Yeah, but it's more
Awesome.
like a fish house.
Yeah.
Like this is maybe waiting until 6 months. Yeah. Today we try the activity with planting. We can use the substrate like this. Before we also have the glue for put the coral to stick here. What you look is so many times. Yeah. In the water.
No.
This is reef safe. Like,
You literally
it takes about, what do you say, 1 minute to set it?
Yep.
1 minute to solidify.
And then we transplant these.
Back into the ocean, yeah. It's crazy just hearing about what happened to the ocean here and how much the coral has been damaged, and it's heartbreaking. At least we can do this one small thing to make a difference, right?
So now we put them back?
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. In the little small holes. These are brand new baby little angelfish. Look at how small they are. Oh my gosh. Brand new. They'll grow up and look like these. So we're just finishing up at the Linny Center for the day, heading to Lavina now. But we spent the most amazing day seeing their aquaculture facilities, getting to snorkel and seeing what was once a really damaged reef from 20 years ago, slowly coming back to life. And then we also got to replant some baby coral, which will take about a week before it's deployed back into the ocean. We've just spent the afternoon doing something really cool that I'm about to show you. We're building these fake coral structures to replace the reef that was once there, that a lot of it is now dead. So what they do is they take calcium, lime, and sand, mix it with some water, put it over these mesh areas that look kind of like that. And then afterwards they stick bleached coral onto it, and where these little poles are sticking out of it, that's where the baby corals that we put into those little concrete structures today are going to go. And eventually, within a few years, these structures, they've already put something like 200 of them out into the ocean. They will be covered in real coral. And eventually the reef will grow back. It's just going to be more of a human-made reef, which is better than no reef at all. Brought my watermelon with me up here to North Bali. I didn't end up eating it because they've been serving us some delicious local Indonesian food, and I am going to take it with me all the way to Lavina now, probably have it for tomorrow's breakfast.